What's up everyone? So today's video is a super highly requested video from you guys over the last couple of months. A ton of you guys have been asking me to do the Ipsy Glambag Plus unboxing, and I told you guys I was gonna do it this month, and so many of you got excited too. So I'm really excited to be bringing these videos to you guys. If you guys are brand new to my channel, I show you all of the products offered for the Ipsy Glambag, which is the $10 a month subscription bag. I show every single product that you have an option of getting in those bags. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see those each month. But I'm excited to be adding in the Glambag Plus unboxing and showing you guys what I got in my box this month. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Also real quick, thank you to Ipsy for gifting me my Glambag Plus box. This video is not sponsored, but they did gift me these products. All right, so the first product that I have here is the Face Hero, a powerful, protective face oil. So it's for all ages and all skin types, even sensitive and oily. I love face oils. I've talked about this so many on my channel. Like honestly, incorporating face oils into my routine has really helped clear my skin and help keep it more balanced and not like super oily in that T-zone and like dry on the outer portions. It just does wonders. All right, so it says that it deeply hydrates, revitalizes, soothes, and tells dullness and uneven skin tone to buzz off. Ha, they're funny. So you put it on your face morning and night. So let's take a look at this. Ooh, this is what the packaging looks like right here. Nice little dropper. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand right here. And I'm gonna feel it. Ooh, it feels good. Nice and moisturizing. Look at that. Has almond oil, jojoba oil, macadamia oil, Brazil nut oil, apricot kernel oil, evening primrose oil, rosehip oil, calendula extract, which is really, really good for the skin. There's this one calendula by California Baby that I put on Riley, and it's one of my favorite products for shampoo and body wash and a body cream. The body cream makes your skin feel so smooth. Like that ingredient right there, it just works wonders. So very excited, and it only has a natural fragrance in it. So it's orange blossom and rose gardenia. I'll keep you guys updated on this guy because I'm definitely gonna be trying him out like ASAP. All right, so next up I have a lip gloss here, and it's from Tokyo Milk. And I've never heard of Tokyo Milk before, but I really like the packaging. I like it how it's a light pink with the gold geometric like abstract lines around it. I think that's cool. Ooh, even the packaging of the actual component is beautiful. Like look at that. That's really pretty. It's a nice sheer pink gloss. Oh yeah, it's just a sheer gloss. See that? I actually am gonna put this on my lips right now. Ooh. Oh my God, this is a really nice gloss. I really like the gloss. It's a nice and thin and lightweight, and it gives your lips like the perfect glossy finish. I really like that because sometimes when you try like a lip gloss, it can get like a little gunky, especially if you already have a lip product on. It can layer and layer and layer. This is actually so thin and nice. So I actually really like this product right here. I'm gonna leave that one out because that will just be pretty on the lips by itself too. But you can just see the shine that it gave my lips. I really, really like that. For the next product that I got in my box is the Il Maquillage. This is their Encore Volume All Day Lasting and Water Resistant Mascara. And I believe it's just in the shade Black. So this is what it looks like right here. This is the packaging. Really nice and sleek. And then you open it up. This is what the wand looks like right here. So this is going to give you tons and tons of volume. So super excited to try that out. I'll definitely have to save it for like the top lashes after I get lash extensions, but I can definitely try it out on the bottom. All right, so next up here, I have the Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape. I've been really loving Wander Beauty, as you guys know. I really love their foundation. So I'm excited to try out more products from them, but they have a palette in here, which is actually really pretty shades. Ooh, so we have, ooh, the champagne shade right here is really gorgeous. Oh my God, look how pigmented that is. Wow. Whoa, that is really, really pretty right there. We also have Coastal, which is this really pretty like royal blue. Oh yeah. There's Coastal right there. And then Golden Reef. Here's Golden Reef. That one's more of a copper shade. Really, really pretty shadows. Super excited to try these out. They have this really pretty seafoam one right here. Like, look at this. This one is really gorgeous. Oh yeah, that one's really pretty. It's such a unique shade. I really, really like that seafoam one. That one would be gorgeous, like all over the lid. So very excited about that. That's one thing I haven't tried from Wander Beauty. I have not tried their eyeshadows yet. I've been using their face products and their lip oil, but I haven't tried any of their eyeshadows yet. So super excited to test this out. All right, so last but not least, we have some sheet masks from Glam Blue. Super excited about these. These are their bubble sheet masks. I have never tried these before. They're gonna create glowy skin, detoxify, purify, face makeup removal? What? That's interesting. So you put it on and it bubbles up and you remove the mask and you gently massage face with remaining cleansing bubbles and then you rinse it clean. So it's almost like a cleansing sheet mask. That is so different. Oh my God, that sounds like so much fun. I bet like the bubble masks are seriously so fun, but also a little crazy looking because you just like, you're sitting there and you can feel the tingling and it just goes, you even hear the noises and it like grows. So this will be really fun to try out. That's cool that it's like a cleanser though. Oh, that's so unique. I don't think I've ever seen a product like this before. So this is really neat. Very excited about that. And I got 3 of them in my box, which is awesome. All right, so that is everything that I got in my Glam Bag Plus box. I'm actually really excited about the face oil because I love oils. I'm always down to try out new ones. I really like the lip gloss, you guys. I want to look more into this brand. I've never heard about it. I really love the aesthetic of the compact of it. And I like the product inside. And then super excited about the sheet mask and the palette. And then the last product that I have here is the Il Makiage Encore Mascara. Really excited to try this out. I'm definitely gonna have to save it for after I get my lash extensions to see how it does with my top lashes. But I'm definitely going to be trying it out on my bottom lashes. Definitely a thumbs up with everything that's in this box this month. Super, super stoked about it. Comment down below what you guys are getting in your boxes because I don't get to see all the products. So I really want to see what else is out there and what you guys are getting. So make sure to comment that down below. Also, a big thank you to Ipsy for gifting me this box. Super excited to try out these products and make sure to subscribe for future videos and I will see you guys in my next video.